Hi, it's Lynette here and thank you for joining me. So I'm so behind on my videos, I can only apologise. So today, during my lunch break, I haven't managed to have a lunch during kind of most of my working days last week and the week before. It was just so hectic, but today there's space in my diary, so I thought grab a quick wee bite of toast, a coffee and come on and do a wee bit of filming. So I have my Skin is In panning project, so I'm trying to film about 3 videos, so I'll try and do this as quickly as I can. And for anybody that's new here, I'm Lynette. Thank you so much. Don't forget to kind of hit that little subscribe button and ring the bell if you'd like to be notified of future videos. I always forget to do that part. So today I have the box that I keep all my products in, and I have used loads. So this was an ongoing project panning video that it was part of the Pantastic Ladies collab created by Jessica and Amanda, who are in the group, and it's anything really related to skin, facial, body, and you can set your own goals. So initially I started off with 49 products, and that was back in March. So what's I think actually happened is I've used up quite a few products in the previous months, but not that many, to be honest with you. However, because we're now in August, I have loads of empties. So I think it's just been a culmination of kind of over the months using the products. So lots of them are finished, still a few more to go, and I'm going to show you what I've finished and what I've still got to go. And just give you a quick wee chat through what I've used up. I will pop these in my empties, but I won't actually kind of talk anything about them, if that makes any sense. So I need to rinse them out before I pop them in the recycling. I'm just checking Lola, she's got hold of something she probably shouldn't have. So I finished the Sanctuary Spa body lotion. That stuff was lovely, really nice. I also finished the Superdrug Optimal Retinol Night Cream. The Beauty Works face serum, and this was the hyaluronic acid one, so I used that day and night. Aesop, which is a brand I've never heard of, but it's a lovely brand. My son got me this for Christmas, and this is the geranium leaf body scrub. Finished that one, squeezed the life out of it. Also finished the Aveeno Calm and Restore Soothing Oat Toning Lotion. That was really nice. I don't know whether it was because it had the oats in it, but it felt really thick. Oh, here's another Aesop product, and that is the body balm. The Origins Drink Up Overnight Hydrating Mask. That's lovely. I do have another one as well. That was really nice. The Aveeno Oat Gel Moisturiser. I finished this last night actually. The Evolve Organic Beauty, and it's the Radiant Glow Mask, and it's the one with cacao in it. Yeah, 100% natural cacao and coconut. So rather than kind of put this on as a mask, which I'm quite bad at remembering to do, I put it on and used it because it's quite exfoliating. So I used it to exfoliate before I got into the shower, and then kind of rinsed it off in the shower. But that was really nice. The Aveeno cleanser, that was really nice on my skin as well, really calming. Just got a bit cardboard. The Lacura Vitamin C Serum, there we go, that was the one that had the dispenser, do that, which was really cool. The hemp moisturiser, I'd actually given that to Steve, so he finished that for me. The Kiehl's little UV defence, that took a few days out of that actually. And the Origins Ginseng eye cream, brighten and deeper, which was really nice. So I do use an eye cream twice a day. So that was everything that I finished. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So as I say, this isn't actually, just from last month. This is from March till now. These are the items that I've finished. It's not all from March, obviously. What I mean is I've been using them up since March. That's why there's 14 this month. So we're just at that stage where loads of them were ready to finish. The I've been using this, the Dr. Andrew Wheel, for Origins, the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience. It's a soothing treatment lotion. I put this on before my toner, and I'm not sure if I use it instead of toner. I'm sure you could. I had to Google it because it's one of these products that it doesn't really tell you, you know, what to do with it. But anyway, I put that on and then I put my toner on. Might be wrong, I don't know. This stuff here, which I'm sure I'm saying wrong, the Malin and Goats Vitamin E Face Moisturiser. This has probably not got long to go. That's probably to about there. This hasn't got long to go. It's really thick, and I've actually started to use it as a night cream because it's so thick. Oh, this stuff burns. The Q&A Apple AHA exfoliating gel. It's not an exfoliator as such, but you put it on and it's a gel, and it's like a kind of fruit peel type thing, but it absolutely burns. So yeah, you're supposed to use it twice a week. Thin layer, massage for 20 to 30 seconds. I can just about do 20 seconds and I've got to take it off. The Elmas Superfood, the Sika Calm Cleansing Foam, and it's a calming micellar water. I use this as part of a 2-step cleansing routine. That is really nice. However, it's quite expensive, so it's probably one of these things that, you know, you might buy in a set if you're getting it from QVC, but individually they were really expensive. So, but I do enjoy using it. The Optimum Retinol Day Cream, I'm using this every day at the moment. Yeah, it's not got long. The Elmas Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cream Cleanser, sorry. I had been using other cleansers up, so I hadn't really touched this, but I popped this in my shower and it's probably to about here. Oh, the Ritual of Myrrh, the Body Mousse to Oil, Sweet Orange and Cedar Wood. I just use that occasionally because it's so nice. It's one of these ones that I don't mind it if it hung around forever. I regret putting it in there because I don't want to use it up. The Retinol Booster Drops. Now you can pop these in your moisturiser to top it up, or you can just put 3 or 4 drops onto your skin at night. So you use it after your serums, but I've been using it at night. I've only recently started to use it, but I don't know if I'll actually finish this because it's only like 3 or 4 drops once a night. But as long as I'm using it is the main thing. The Bye Bye Bright Eyed Illuminating Eye Cream, been using that, it's really nice. It's a kind of beigey colour, but I don't know if that does anything when you put it on. Origins Clear, I keep saying sorry, Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. Used that a couple of times. Yeah, I have. I'm just going to check because I did have a couple of these. I've used that maybe once, but I will put it in the bathroom to remind myself to use it more. The Elmas Dynamic Resurfacing Gel Mask. I haven't used that yet, but I will. You apply to cleanse skin for 8 to 10 minutes and rinse off. So I will actually, it's 8 to 10 minutes. So normally if I'm cleansing my skin at night, I'm busy doing other things, but I could put that on and then go and do something and then come back. But I need to put it out to remind me to use it. The Elizabeth, Estee Lauder, sorry, Day Wear Eye Cream. I haven't actually used this yet, but once I finish up the other eye cream, I will bring it out. This is just a teeny moisturiser, Collagen Boost Moisturiser by Balance Me. So whenever I come around to using that, that won't take long to use up at all. I haven't started this, the Origins Ginseng Gel Moisturiser. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I've had a mini, and the Body Shop Kindness in Pairs. I won't have any trouble using this. I absolutely love the smell. What I sometimes do is when I'm picking things out of this box, I'll just put some on. So I'm not using it every day, but I use it when I kind of dip into the box. I usually do that with that as well. So I'm going to count up how many I've got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If I'm right, items left. I reckon this will be finished soon. This will be finished soon. Yeah, this will be finished within a month or so. This maybe, and the rest of them probably a good bit longer. So I probably won't do an update next month. I'll do an update the following month, so hopefully there are some things that have finished that I can show you. So that's just what happens. Some months you finish, you know, you finish a lot over the course of the month and the previous month, and other months, you know, you're kind of starting using something or you've not made a dent in it. So I'll do an update in a couple of months, but I just wanted to show you the progress. And actually I am trying to make more space, but I do love skincare, so I keep buying it, but I am using up what I've got, so I am getting there. But this is why my empties will look quite large this month as well, because these have been used over months and my empties are 1 month, so I always have to bear that in mind. Anyway, if you're still here, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye guys.